Hey, what's up, everyone? Recently, I had some data in which one of the columns were priority, and it was high, medium, and low. And I had to sort it by this. And I remembered that there was something like custom sort in Excel, but I was not immediately able to recollect this. And in Mac, it looks a little bit different. So once I figured that out, I thought it'd be a nice video to share how to do a custom sort in Excel, especially on a Mac. So if you have some data like this where you want to put a custom sort, the first thing to do is create a list with which you want to sort it with. And this is where this is a bit different in a Mac versus a PC. So you go here, Excel, Preferences, and then there's a thing called Custom List here. So you can just create a list that you'd like, high, medium, low, in my case, and add it here. So that's the first step. Then when you go to filter, so right now we are in the data tab, and in the data tab you have filter and sort, you need to be on the sort. So you go here, sort by column, priority, sort on values, and then the order should be your custom list. So whatever you created previously, that is the one that you will see here, and in my case it is high, medium, and low. So you can just select here, and then when you do this, your list is sorted as high, medium, low. And this is a very useful hack, very simple, a little bit different in a Mac than in a PC. In a PC you can just go in the sort column and create an order here if you don't have one. In a Mac you have to already have it. So that's kind of a little bit of a difference. All right, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the little hack. Thanks, everyone.